Yo, I had a good sleep, so I think I will be able to learn or intake much. Um, what the fuck? Developer tries it for the first time. Okay, download that for this. Check in paper. Okay. There's nothing in here though. So what? Um, 1 npm one dev localhost slash sign up. So this is sign up page. This is good. By the way, I didn't make this front end. I copied it from front end Nepal or something. Um, in the previous video or previous day. So I haven't have anything in the router. So validation is kind of a what am I gonna do now? There's I think auth control. I should probably get get it. Login post, sign up post. Okay, so Google is the body. Be const username, uh, email, comma password equals to request the body. So okay, where is that server side here? Let's see in the first hand. What the fuck is that, bro? No, where the fuck is that auth control, bro? Okay, div from class wrapper. Okay, um, script. I think that's it. Script. Um, what the fuck? How the fuck am I supposed to communicate with the fucking front end, bro? I think fetch is the option, but how to fucking use fetch, bro? Um, okay, script. That's good. Okay, this is cool. So document. This is normal shit. This is normal shit, and then prevent default. What the fuck does this do? Prevent default. Okay. Response equals to fetch method. Sign up. Sign up method. Post body. JSON stringify. Let's see what does this really do. What does this really do? down. Send an HTTP request. Please send an HTTP request. Send to my server. Sign in. That's running out. It actually goes to the route in the express method. Post means I'm sending data to the server. Okay, post. Okay, stringify body. This is the body from body. If email equal to password. This okay. This is the stringify. Content type application. Telling the JSON, hey, I'm sending JSON data. Okay, that's good. JSON fetch. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this does that, and then we are sending a fucking response. 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 So like in the front front end, cause is OP. What does really mean spoiled response? Okay, so let's do like submit name. Then the cons sign up and comes to document the query selector sign up. It's like button, then have submit. Okay, sign up dot add event listener. To be submit, then a sync response request response request response request response fetch const try to fetch the data. Const response equals to fetch something. What do I need to fetch? Okay, fetch what should I need to fetch? Fetch sign up sign up sign up. Ain't that right? What the fuck is the router? Fucking hell, where the fuck is the router, man? Fucking hell, router login auth. Logging router. Sign up. Then the slash or none. Okay, I need a fucking uh, method post. We are taking the post. Okay, posting the data body our message. JSON the stringify. Fucking hell, dumb bitch. Okay, stringify what is input. Okay, input. Okay, assign a button. Submit response. Submit. Okay. Oh, what the fuck is that, bro? Label required. Okay. Type text. Name. Username. Name. Username. What the fuck is that? Um. Email. Name. Password. Okay. Copy. Paste. Just username. That's not an input. That's a username. Username. Copy this 3 times. This is an email. 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 Password. Hold up. I'm gonna do that. Password. And cut this shit. Fucking head. Dot value. Dot value. Dot dot value. Dot value. Cut this shit. Cut this shit. Body stringify. Username. Where was I, bro? Here. Email. Password. Let's kind of manage this shit. What the fuck? Okay. Try cats. Try. Error. Hey. Oh, this is the fucking. No, this is the fucking fetch. Okay. Okay. Render get. Okay. Post sign up. Okay. Sign up. Well, let's bring that down here. Cause I like it there, bro. What the fuck? Require that. Request a body, and then fetch this console.log request the body. Let's see. Okay. Got trust and see one. Bro, what the fuck? No console? What the fuck? What the fuck happened? There's no error though, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck? Console? Query the selector is not a valid selector. Okay. So this is not a valid selector. So what the fuck is a valid selector then? Okay, what the fuck is okay? Trying to wire but multiple series. Okay, valid selector. Okay, form. Let's full screen this and let this do. Form. Okay, form. Okay, what the other fucking hell? Wrong event type. Not submit form event doesn't exist in front end. Euro. This is a backend thing. Uh, this and culture.js and okay, that's the fucking problem. I knew it, bro. Um, so request. This is on part E. Do I do need to try async though, bro? Ain't that right? Ain't that right, G? Um, prev event d correct way if you use name. If you're using name, then okay, input name. You forget header. Okay, header plus await. Await for this fetching stuff. Let's fix that. Fix that, and then input name. Name name equals to name equals to name equals to name equals to. So this is working, and then reload the thing and go try. I forgot the header thingy then. ADR headers equals to the content type appli slash JSON. So is that it? That's that, not it. Then input name equals to content type variable conflict either repair have it stop reload. Is this okay then? Variable bug sign up button. Fuck, what the fuck is the form? Form. Okay, I think this will probably QWERTY 1 2 3. Okay, give me a round of applause, man. I'm a fucking beginner, bro. I did this shit. Okay, that ain't my password. So fuck you who are trying or wanna try. Fuck that shit. Okay. Why is that do fucking email? Email? Why is there two fucking email, bro? I sent only one. Let me try again, bro. Okay. Sign up. Okay, one fucking email. Again. Two fucking email. Okay. That's kind of nice, bro. And then let's what the fuck should I do? What the fuck should I do next? That's what I'm trying to say. Sign up, then then okay, what the fuck should I do now? User the username is that valid? Like console.log. Okay, request a body, kinda good. What the fuck should I do? What the fuck should I do now? So I need to send this shit to my user. That's my next step. How the fuck should I do that then? Let's ask ChatGPT if he can teach me how to send it to the back end. This is the require code. I will specifically say that how to, not how to know straight up do it on your own, and also error in the ALING. Teach me don't. Fuck you, bro. This sucking my dick, bro. Get off my dick, bitch. Front end indexation is a model controller file. We connect properly. Big picture. Understand this first. What front end does is send it to the browser. This happened. Browser express root. Okay, express root controller MongoDB response browser. Okay, good job. Your job is to read data, validate validate it, save user, handle error, or make sure Express can read JSON. They did in app the JS server the JS you must have. Yeah, without this it's also undefined. Okay, I got you, bro. I got you. Um, Confirm data. What the fuck is data, bro? Confirm data. Okay, I need to fix my accent with this, bro. Um, Confirm data is coming debugging habit. Module dot export the sign up post. We also async. Okay, that's good. First thing you should do with learning. Console.log request the body like okay request the body, then submit and see if it's a good work. That's good. Undefined middleware problem. Never skip this step. Okay, I mean destructuralize, and you did this right. It means username. Okay, I got you, bro. I got you. Okay, because the body no change no needed. Create a user model is wait your model to save. Okay, to create heavy we must protect it with error handling. Use try catch important habit, and need a database operation can fail, so structure is always try handle error. mm, Build sign up dash post set step by step. Let's write it together and explain. Version with comment. uh, Learning mode. What the fuck is mode, not node? Version with comment. Check if a user already exists. Cons pre. Okay. Okay, that's good. Mm, mm, Only catch. Okay, that's it. That's good approach. Before sending it to that shit, find one user. We use the find one true if true. Register why each part matter. Find one. Prevent duplicate. Prevent duplicate. Okay, that's nice. User the create. Validate does validate schema skip in Mongo. Okay, beginner professional habit created bad input server. Take talks to the version. This is what front end reads. Listen, handle error properly. important right now is schema has can through error like invalid emails. Better to have dot name. This is what I want to do, bro. Okay, so I need to validate it. Okay, validate. I don't need this right now. What I need is auth control from here. So user const email goes to await user dot find one user dot find one um find one email question mark. Let's have Grok with us. Fucking hell, what the fuck is this name? Grok. Okay, my parents gonna probably hear what I said just now, but fuck that shit, bro. Then what I, okay, email valid equals to await user the find one email the of find one. Does it take function or JSON or whatever? Okay, is a mongoose takes a JavaScript object. Okay, often called query filter or JSON like object as my Nepal accent just got through, bro. As it's a main argument, not a function. Your example is correct and very common. Correct syntax of find one is we find one shorthand for email condition projection. What the fuck is projection, bro? Condition, yes. With the filter, yeah. With the filter projection string object fields to return name option object optional extra lean to callback function optional. Okay, find one email dot lowercase finds first user with email equals the value of email variable. Multiple condition email is active role admin find one name email password plain js faster. What the fuck is this? Old callback style. Okay, error user if error return hand or error fuck. A quick summary: find one take object as the first argument. Query filter. It doesn't take function as first argument. It doesn't. Okay, email object with email. What does dot lean do? Is one of the most useful commonly used in MongoDB. Doesn't convert the Mongo document into full Mongo doc. Just give me plain JavaScript object. Return Mongo's document. Bro, I need example. Add mongoose method, yes, save, remove, etc. When should you use lean? Always, almost always when you. Select name, email, sort, limit 50, lean. I don't know what the fuck he just into without normal. Mongoose document, plain JavaScript object. Yes. Save etc has method. No. Yes. As virtual and glitter. I didn't understand. Like, give an example. Exe with and without lean. Default true. Created a default defaulted now, and there's document in the database. Okay, fucking hell, how many without lean? Normal mongoose document. Normal mongoose document. Okay, find one. User type of user instance of mongoose document. Use mongoose document method user dot is. Okay, we save. Okay, console with lean plain JavaScript object. Type of object false. Equal to save TypeScript error. It is not a function. I use lean. Find. Okay, select dot link range source here. Don't use link when you plan to modify it. What the fuck? So basically, what the fuck is my nipple accent guy getting ham, bro? So basically, like, use for reading data and can you give example of mongoose? What the fuck? Zig and plain JS. Not plain. Better performance and mongoose document. Find one without lean. Okay. And actually look like internally simply. Okay, simply looks mongoose document. Many special property and method. Okay, session null is new. Save what you can do with it. Okay, work perfectly fine. Plain. It's normal. And if email email validate true, then return. No, I don't want to crash the server. Like, return response the status. What the fuck is the bad? What the fuck is the bad? Like, I want to do error handling. What the fuck is the bad? Bad request, bad request, bad input. JSON. Unique. Then how the fuck should I say with the fucking where the fuck is that, bro? How the fucking create a wait? Wait is necessary. The create fucking username, email, password. Okay, that's good. Mm, cats, cats error. Mm, response dot status 500 comma dot JSON. The fuck? Wait the fuck up, bro. Don't die on me, bitch. The fuck is that? Response JSON. I need to open Mongoose, bro. I need to sign in, bro. It, that's for security reason, I think. This is the fucking fifth time, fifth, 16th time, bro. Browse collection. Mini project, is that it? I'm probably okay. Okay, this is good, and then let's like do some with gap. Some no, I'm Q W E R D Y. 1 2 3 sign up. Ain't a problem, I think. Ain't a problem, I think. If await response the status 200 dot this is created has been CREA has been username change this to this, save. What the fuck? Okay, this fucking work. Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good. Okay, this is a response. Sign up. I think this should be a request for this shit. Ain't that right, bro? Where the fuck is my ChatGPT, bro? New ChatGPT, bro. I don't wanna. I did this and this. Contour of the previous set isn't the request supposed to be the request of the front end and display the chat in the front end of this. Where is the fucking front end? front end is here. We're learning backend request. When spot request, it's just how the server replies to the front end. It can reply in different ways. The send text and JSON redirect. Okay, then right now you're using. Wait, I need to pee. Fuck that shit, bro. I gained a fucking motivation, bro. What the fuck was I doing, bro? I was like, fucking hell. What was I doing, bro? Error application, that's good. And then I think I was thinking error handling. So like error. So like type string. Okay, that's cool. Require. Please, please enter uh, your username, comma, please enter your email, required true, comma, enter password, sorry, but mom length should be 6 letters. Okay. Sorry, but enter valid email. Okay, enter a password unique. So this email is already in use. Okay. Okay, that's good. Then what the fuck should I do? How should I handle this error? Your email. Okay. Nuts. And label input text. Nah. Label enter your username. Okay, then like in enter your username, sign, email, label, and can I like use div in this bitch? Mm, class, mm, username, username error, email, and then password error. So let's document all of this bitch. Copy, paste, paste, paste. Okay, and then username error, use username error, and email error. mm, Email error, and then password password error, um password error dot 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 dot. Okay, copy this much and want to do the error part teach me not do it. What I wanted to do this is, what the fuck is that shit? Stringify, not this. Automatic, not this. Async. This is what I want to learn. Okay. We got to what actually do schema container error container UI. Save. Does it like fucking mess up? Okay. There's a gap. There's a gap. Confusion. Not this one. This is the one. So schema valid. This is not. Fuck, man. I respect. I take that respect, but not that stuff. Not just for understanding the error pipeline. Mongoose throw error, catch error in the controller, and the controller stuff. Catch error in the controller. Error JSON fetch receive response. Okay, front end shows message. This is what I. This throws an error. this throws an error. Then catch error in controller, catch error in controller. So add event listener async. So right now you have only have pieces. Let's connect them. Why do we use catch error? If user enter abc, want the schema is email, validate is email, uh, 6 minimum length. So mongoose throw validation error, this becomes error inside catch. So error contains all validation error. What is inside error? When validation error look like this errors, email password, each field has property message, properties does message. Okay, message which is customs. So sorry. Why we build error equals stuff. We want to send simple JSON to for front end. Instead of big error object, we convert it into to sort. Okay, and that's why let error equals to that. Understanding this part is important. Object the value, let's decode it. Suppose error is this stuff. Okay, object the value, also give this, and then h the values proper errors. Then for h then error equals to email invalid, message password to sort. Duplicate email error, when mongo see duplicate email, it throws error dot code. Error start email already override email manually. So final. Okay, error validation. हजुर so in my code, I want to like so user the JS with my mongoose schema and stuff. So it catches an error, which is in what the fuck in auth control, which is being used in auth control in try catch block, with an async in an async function. So try catch, and in which I did like catch error, in which I did response the status 500.json, and console log error will uh, give an error uh, of like mm, error console dot log an error of the object you just shown me. Is that right? Messed up in your head. Let me clean it out. Schema throws error controller gases the send front end red. Mm, Does the error stack create user example is valid? Cat throw means mongoose it does internally mean stop the code. Cat error console out loud way. What is email? Okay, bad input. So this skip the console or back then. Okay. Save this bitch and reload this shit then. And what does okay want to bad request? Why doesn't it console log then? Why the fuck does this? No log the big error and and it does response with the status though. Mm, Bro, you call me stupid, bro. What the fuck? Fuck you, man. You working out. That's why correctly this. That's why big, why cat error is not running. You can't. Okay, okay. Find one email if in your already exists when email exists. Okay, you can run it manually. This is not an error. This shows okay. No catch. All good. No catch. When does actually run? Only when something throws. Then throws cats. Cats run or throw new error. We have current flow. Find one. Find user. If true, return and no error. If you want it to catch, you must throw. You when you only see. But that's not true though. If email validation, okay, throw new error, okay, yeah, throw new error. Sorry, but email is already in use. Does this really? Oh, I don't want to. Oh, fucking hell. So, 1, 2. Send. Okay, I got there. No, let me stop. I need to have dinner, and I'm kind of motivated because of like real life shit. Because I kind of was disrespected, kind of, a little bit. But I felt that it wasn't meant to be, but it did. Fuck that shit, bitch. I'm gonna eat and then come back, and I probably will be here till 12, or 1. Once you will, no, I'm getting distracted. So bye for now. It will be like fucking okay. It gave me that. Then through new error. Sorry, email is already in use. So that's good. And then okay, path user validation. Okay, error. Sorry about this. Email is already in use. So error. So let me make another error like this stuff. Fucking atrocious. Please enter a valid. Sorry, but minimum should be this and this. Let me clear this out. Yes. Oh fucking hell! This is not git, bro. Git and npm run dev. Okay, this shit runs. Send from where to where? I just want to see. Mongo. Okay, validation error. User fail. Email. Sorry, but please enter. Okay, but sorry, but minimum length should be 6 letters. Okay, error. Email. This is what I got. So like and this outside errors, can't I just use this? Don't be patient. Exactly, you're supposed to see in this stage where you can't use outside message instead of looping error. Do you mean? At the bottom, at the top. Okay. That's it. And if wondering, how to start? Okay, we use error instead of this. So like, let's see what this is. Errors dot email validation error. This is gold. Also, but way beginner professional. Okay, error object. Like inside of the errors object, and then loop them. Errors email validation error properties email properties. What the fuck is the message then, bro? Alright, look in my error log and structure it like useful one. Then the fuck. Want to see what it looks like. Let's do this, bro. Perfect question. This is actually like error. What asking about error? The for each. use step login validation. Properties, but properties don't have like this stuff, bitch. Properties, email. So it's an array. Okay. Bro, what the fuck? You do have message. It's just you know. Look at the you posted. Sorry, this line come from message. So you mean sorry, but my validation. Yeah. Oh, user validation fail. Okay, email. You didn't try this message. Your message full. So message. Where is properties? The message come from. Look deep in your log. Inside email. Where's the email validation? Sorry, but Oh. Mm, okay. This is not it. So error. Email validator error. Sorry, but enter or valid email. So email validator. The question is exactly the copying code. Fucking hell! What? I want this to stop. No email. Big. No, it's the property. Malloc, so nothing like that. Like this, no curly brackets and stuff. So I want the property. So let me like paste that stuff in. Email dot no errors dot email dot not email dot properties ROP ERTI save, then sign up undefined. So that was not it. Then properties email dot prop rti email dot properties. Okay, that's a lot of input. Like I want this to message, so I can work with this. So error is given. What the fuck should I? One last question. Where function controller auth, put it at the top. Oh, okay. I want this both. This is the same, and then 32. Mm. In the top, let's like function error handling and what's your error, and then like error, then error has okay, like errors. What the fuck is this? How should I use this, bro? Object or values. For each email, it's a okay, properties then yeah, properties dot console dot log error handling, and then remove this. Why the fuck is this undefined? Break. And then where was I? So this was it. Then what I was like going through this, I think. So like validation failed for it. What the fuck is that, bro? Oh, here it is. Okay. And the error. What the fuck? User username, comma, email, comma, Oh fucking hell. So this is it. Like, errors the mm, PATA. Yeah. Is that it? Path equals to error path also message, and then function. Oh fucking hell. No path equals to okay. Then const error equals to error handling error. Okay, this is good. Okay, I think this solves a lot of problem. So I need to go to the fucking log. Mm, the fuck? Property message. Error equals to user message. Okay, error the message the include this user VLID failed includes. I think includes is okay. Save this bitch, and then I need to handle error in the fucking front end part. So front end error catch. How the fuck am I supposed to catch error? Response. How the fuck am I supposed to respond to that? So I done this. So I done this. But how the fuck can I sign up error handling. Okay, now front end receive cons data calls. Okay, got that bitch. I got that. Prevent async submit the here and then response. Try post. Should I try it in post the like query selector email if cons data equals to spawn the JSON. Bro, fucking JSON JSON data equals to JSON data dot data dot send back error handle error has this returns errors if username then document then calls to okay inner text render text content text content content text content. Okay, save this bitch and then fucking Aaron um, Save, save, save everything, and let's fucking hell. Bad request. Uh, Wait the fuck up. So I did this. Easy, yes. Copy, paste. Oh fucking hell. Oh wait. Oh wait. Oh wait, that's it. And then mm, Madras. Okay. Name this one too. Sorry, but in the valid email, bro. Okay, and Godra, sign up. Sign up, bro. What the fuck? If I try to do this again, it won't work. What the fuck? Cons corrected. Choice. Bitch with the daddy, shiver. Fucking hell, I'm just thinking out loud, bro. Save that bitch. Save that joint. And then, okay, Aaron. Okay. And then 1, 2, 3. Okay, Aaron Gotras. Sign up. The fuck? Failed to reload. Bro, this shouldn't happen, bro. Okay. Save the minimum. Sorry, but enter a valid email. I'm entering a valid email, and then nothing shows up. Text content error. I think something is wrong, cause like enter. Okay, wait the fuck up. Oh fucking hell. What the fuck am I doing? Arrow. Okay, 1, 2. And when I enter and password doesn't do anything, error handling is errors Pokemon valid fails for Alex like password to sort out because this is just sorry but emails are so it returns this fix error handling. The fuck is wrong with this, bro? Okay, error. He back catches. This works among validation error. So solve fails for already because this is just new. Sorry, is already in use. No. So if everything is blank, why? Oh, cause like it's already in use. Then okay. Hmm. Ever the this joint is saved. Return. Can't raise this. Okay. Email doesn't happen. Add request and then in this joint like properties password is also there. Properties of message. Okay, if error the code equals to 11000, then errors the email equals to then throw this is useless then save this joint and then so create sign up then I was about to do that, but what my cons hello what my concern is that, like, um I handle error in auth controller at the uh, at like cast statement. Oh, no. It's good. I understand. Loving. Save this bit, reload this joint, and then boom, bitch. Sorry, but email is already used. if I use a valid one, like if I use 12, sign up, okay, and inspect console bad request. What the fuck? What the fuck is this bad request? Okay, the fuck with the bad request, man? Now that's done. So let's add fucking let's fucking add hashing bcrypt. Did I already install that shit? Did I already install that joint? I did not. So git mp npm install. What the fuck should I install? Bcrypt. 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 Crypt that joint, bro. Crypt that joint, and then bcrypt that joint. Install on the bcrypt equals to require bcrypt bcrypt Jesus. Okay. Okay, I got you. So user schema, the pre what the fuck, save, do this async function, the function is that salt salt called bcrypt dot gen salt. Okay, mm, this dot password equals to bcrypt b alright bcrypt password. Okay, this the password comma salt. Post save console.log password hashed. So wrong and go try 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, sign up. So I should be seeing password hash. What the fuck? Sign up, dude. What the fuck? Password hash. What the fuck? Post user mongoose. Oh wait. Okay. Oh wait. Oh wait. Oh wait. Bcrypt. Dot has. Okay. After that, reload the thing. Around Tyrone. Tyrone. 3 4 5 6 7. Okay. Sign up. Password has. Okay, let me see the hash password and MongoDB. What I need to learn is authentication. So mini project user fucking Tyrone Gotros has password. Mm. Mm. Then has password hashed, and I need a login page. Response status 200. Username has been created. So authentication user, what the fuck is my EJS joint? Okay, here's the joint. Then data. The message alert data the message. Save that joint, and then fucking hell, what the fuck is that joint? I'm studying studying I am studying at the red gmail.com. I am studying. Okay, I'm studying has been created. What's up, joint? Okay, I need a log. What the fuck do I need now? Login page, glass morphism, glass morphism, sign in page, login page, dribble, Figma, code Nepal. Okay, dribble. What the? Oh my god! What the? What the fuck is this joint, bro? Kinda like this, bro. Get started. What the fuck? This joint is nice too.
खोजखाज गरेर अब आफ्नो अधिकार त लिनु पर्यो हामीले त्यसको लागि अनि हामीले पैसा पुराएपछि छैन अब तिम्रो छैन दुईटा नाम भएर तिम्रो गडबड अधिकारै आएन भन्नुभयो सरहरूले अन्त त्यो हाम्रो गल्ती हैन सर अनि हाम्रो गल्ती हैन सर तपाईहरुले कसरी हुन्छ मेरो छोरी एक्जाम गर्न पाओस् मेरो गल्ती मान्छेले मैले पढाको त्यसो नहोस् भनेर भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ हुँदैन ओपनबाट गर्नुपर्छ अलि पछाडी भन्नु अब ओपनबाट गरेपछि जुन पढेको स्कुलको अधिकार पाउँदैन अर्को स्कुलको अधिकार लिएर फाइदा गर्छ मलाई मेरो मनमा अवसर लाग्यो म उसको आमा हो कितना लिख रहे हैं वकील साहब लाइए नोटबुक बढ़ाइए लाइए जाने दीजिए ना सर समझ में आ गया उसे अच्छा तो तुम पढ़ो कैसे पढ़ लो दिखाओ लो अंडा 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 अब पढ़ो अंडा अंडा सही गलत है आप ऐसा क्यों करें सही और गलत की समझ है मुझे सिट डाउन पता है गलत क्या है लाखों बच्चे हर साल एंट्रेंस एग्जाम देते हैं जिनमें से कुछ हजार क्वालिफाई कर पाते कुछ चंद सीटों के लिए जिनमें से एक पर तुम बैठे हो फ्री में हम क्या करें पागल हो गए अपनी जगह पे जाओ मैं कह रहा हूं अपनी जगह पे जाओ ये देखिए देखो मुझे नहीं देखिए निकलो सर नहीं निकलो सब कोई निकलो समझ में नहीं आ रहा सर निकलो यहां से निकलो यहां से निकलो निकलो आओ कितना लिख रहे हैं वकील यो अहिलेको यङ प्रजाति हुन्छ त अब म पनि यङ जेनेरेसनै गर्नु छैन तर म भन्दा नि कान्छोहरु चाहिँ अलिकति Last time I went to IIT I saw this one of my seniors' room, and honestly, it didn't look like a hostel room. Everything was set up so neatly, so intentionally. Then while talking, he casually mentioned he built his own 3D printer. Not like a big achievement, just mid conversation. That moment just hit me, and I was thinking, some people are just building things quietly. I'm really fortunate to meet such people in my life. आप काम क्या करते हो? I'm a research analyst.
Oh fuck! I unpaused that shit. Where was I, bro? What the fuck? Where was I? Open code. One glass. I wanna see, bro. $32? What the fuck? Dribble. Okay, is that it? के अरे fuck this shit. Login form. Save that. Save that joint. Okay. This- Okay, response door. Vendor. Login. Okay, sign up. Bro, it broke? Not this one. Mm, 100 left. Login. Login page. Looking clean. Sign up. Sign in. The fuck? The fuck is going on, bro? Mm, username 1 2. User 1. User 1. Okay. Sign up again. Error handling is not going easy, bro. Mm, bro, this is heating, bro. My laptop is heating. Why? What's going on? fine, but so I need to like the next stuff. Next. What the fuck? So if this is not wrong, then the fucking wrong part is not authentic. Login or no. No, what the fuck is that? Controller, login, route, model, VS Code, module, no, router. What? I think I'm missing a file. Am I tripping? I think then this is okay. Try to do this. Error. What the fuck? And then what the fuck should I do then? And next. error. Is that it? Where the fuck is the error handler, bro? What the fuck? Bro, it was working a fucking second ago, bro. Until I did route. Is that the problem? Route? Where the fuck is my route? Hot route. Sign in. Post. I got that joined, bro. I got that joined. And then this joined. Login. Render. Login. Bro, it's his own fucking module. Username has been created. Catch error. Error equals to this. Error status 400. Let me see, bro. So this is what the fuck. So this is at least sending status, but JSON error. Uh, Error. What the fuck is this join doing, bro? Okay. QV error 123 123. Okay, what is that join saying, man? Email, password, email, password. Okay. No, bro. Sign up, bro. Only this works. Then this this fucking works too. What the fuck? Dot com 3123. Okay. Which joint is not working is this joint. Is already in used. Here was the email. Sorry, but the email is already in used. Okay. So when you try to create a document with an email that is I think I did that shit. I think I did that joint. What the fuck is that joint, bro? Why the fuck is this not working, bro? Mm, my joint has this. What the fuck is happening in this one, bro? What the fuck? How the fuck does this nigga do? Like, true. Okay, that joint is good. And then fucking auth control. And then is already registered. This one is cool then. Handler error. The core is email. That email is already registered. Includes try await. Why the fuck you saving in user? The user equals to token. The fuck is it supposed to be? Because of simple this. Around or something like this happen. This blocks, bro. This fucking blocks. So like the fault isn't in there. Next is not a function. Okay, because of this joint. And then next, save that joint again. And I'm gonna j com because of that joint, and then duplicate. Okay, code is in here. Code. Okay, then mongoose error. Let me see this joint, bro. Undefined. So this joint is probably inside another joint. So like um okay, where is this shit? Oh, mongoose error. Bro, 1, 2, 3, 4. What the fuck is the code, man? Error response. That joint could. Okay, async model. Error response. The handle error. Uh, let's see. Undefined the error. Oh, nested. Mm, error code. So it just caused that code. Hmm. Okay. Okay. It's cause. Bro, why is this doing not fucking? I'm gonna try. Okay. Sign up, bro. Bad request. Another. But email is already in used. Use. Okay. Return error. Where the fuck is my front end, bro? Front end log sign up already in you. Why the fuck is it not this? Username error. He calls it this. And login. Okay. Name auth control. What the fuck? Div script. Oh, script. And then what should I write, bro? Script. Um. Script. What the fuck should I? Response. Fetch. Slash. Login. Login. Method. Post. Headers. Slash JSON. Body. JSON the stringify. Label enter. Type email, and then type email, and then what the fuck should I write? What should I write, bro? Email name, email, and email input, name, password input. Const What the fuck have I written in yes. Okay. Super simple. Email. Password. Password. Okay. Const email equals to the document the service selector uh, input tag email email input name. Okay, paste password password dot stringify email password. Save that joint. Fucking hell. um const form equals to document the service selector, probably a form. The form the add event listener submit comma async. Okay, async has this. Okay, is that it has this. Save this joint. Save this joint too. Console.log request the body. Fucking await this joint. So I don't know. Promise got us 1 2 3 1 2 3 member. Okay, what the fuck is this doing, bro? What the fuck? Oh, value, bro. I need the value in that joint. Value, the value. Save that joint. Save that joint. Okay, email. Okay. What the fuck? What the fuck? Get post login auth post. Save that join now. Save that joint. What the fuck is happening in this joint? Oh fucking hell, bro! What the fuck? How can I forget that bitch? Okay, H for either. Fucking hell! What the fuck was that? Prevent default. Prevent default joint. Okay, save that joint again. What the fuck? I don't get it. What the fuck is the problem, boy? Heroes are wrong. A content tab application that is also important. Seeing a prevent default. Refreshing. Okay. Content type. What the fuck is you? Content type. Okay. Bro, I sent this one, bro. Email. Bro, that's the email, bro. Brody. This is the email, bro. Save this joint, and we are gonna try this again. Boom, bitch. Login. This. Fucking hell, what the fuck? Auth control email request the body. Request the body. Fetch login. Host. Something so simple, bro.